Sarcoidosis. Thank you so much for joining us today.
How you doing, YouTube? What up, guys? It's another day. Finally, we're making some headway on this car. Like finally. I don't know if I put in a last video. I did get it started. I did upload a base map all by myself. Well, not upload. I created a base map all by myself. So steps, baby steps. I do got insurance on it now. I got a plate. I just gotta the car's supposed to get tuned this week. So we're about to do some preps to get it ready. Alright, what we're doing today is installing these two-step coulter plugs. Gonna drain the gear oil that's in the diff, put this in, and we're gonna do an oil change because God knows how long that oil that's in the motor been there. So that's my agenda for today, and I'm gonna start it up and let it run for you guys. Stay tuned. Alright, oil change is done. I just gotta top it off with the new oil. Old oil looks very disgusting, but it's alright. We're getting them out of here right now. So what I'm gonna do is do the plugs real quick, and then we're gonna top it off. Make sure I don't forget to pour that in first, but let's change the plugs and go from there. We're all buttoned up again. New plugs are in. New oil is in. I don't think I'm gonna do the rear diff today because I can't find my pump that pumps it into the from the bottle to the diff. So I have to save that. So let's see it start. for you guys. This may be the first, or not may to be first. As you can see, I did get a new windshield. The dash is in now. Don't mind the glass, that's from the old windshield. But the car is on the AEM. I still gotta finish cleaning up some wires, but everything. The only thing I didn't hook up the boost gauge yet, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. But here we go. I'm pressing. Okay, hold on. Try again. Let the sensor warm up a little. Oh, I have to let it warm up. There it goes. Next episode, definitely gonna be me put it in the rear diff fluid and street tuning this bad boy. Almost there, guys. About to make some power next. Stay tuned.